Will fitting a secondary cat delete kit in my Aston Martin DB9 really make it sound more aggressive? In this episode of Aston1936.com, I'm going to check out whether fitting a secondary cat delete kit is actually going to make the sound of my DB9 more aggressive. I've heard about this as one of the side effects, and you also get more power, you lose a little weight, but it's supposed to sound a little cooler. So I thought, well, let's figure out if it really does. And if the camera will follow me, I thought, well, let's record a before and after. And my cameraman, Rob, well, I can't see Rob, but Rob's there, is also an amateur sound guy. So he's brought in some of his fancy mic gear, and we're set up about 9 feet on the center line from the rear of the car. And we're going to record what this car sounds like before and after. So I don't know if this is really going to make a huge difference, but to do it, I'm going to get in, I'm going to start the car up, let it idle for 5 seconds, run it up to 2,000 RPM, which is the sound, usually the speed you're driving around town. And I'm going to run it up to 4,000 RPM just to see what it sounds like when the engine's in a little bit more aggressive mode. So let's check it out. So let's do the before. Well, that's always fun to do in the garage anyways. Stock's pretty freaking awesome sounding. So I'm going to go ahead and get the secondary cat delete kit installed, and let's see what it sounds like afterwards. All right, our secondary cat delete kit's fully installed now. I let the car warm up a little bit so we won't get that extra sound of the cold start. So let's go ahead and fire it up. We're recording again, and I'll dub in the actual super high quality recording. Let's see if it sounds any cooler with the secondary cat kit installed. Okay, well, I can tell you subjectively, hell yeah. It's not obnoxiously louder, but you heard me when I did that little blip at the end. There is a snarl to the exhaust now that wasn't there before. It always sounded great, but now it's a little snarlier, I guess. I don't know what way, but you heard it, and so that's kind of cool. Pretty neat to get a little bit of a sound boost out of the secondary cat delete kit install. next thing I'm going to do, and I'll probably have a link to the video up here, is we're going to take this down to the dyno test and we're going to see if this is making any more horsepower. You'll also see a link down here to the companion blog article over at aston1936.com. I'll have actual MPEG MP4 sound downloads available if you want to hear the sounds even clearer instead of on YouTube. And down here, if you like articles like this, please subscribe. And as always, I'd love to hear from you. Please leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching.